mchele hapa, kuna sufuria. Then I have a matchbox na niko na chumvi, and chumvi ile natumia ni Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt hii ni lazima ni koroge hivi ndo. Unasikia? Yeah, this kind of salt. So number one, lazima tutest kama kitu inafanya. Lazima tutest kama inafanya. I'm not even sure kama inafanya, but we'll test it. And, bro, I am scared. I've never been scared. But I think what's the worst that can happen? Tuko nje, you know. So nikiwasha moto hapa. Like seriously. Okay. So sindio hii. Oh, okay. Kuna regulator hapa. Let me see. It's off. Oh, okay. So hapa put it on kwanza. Hapa on, this is close. This is close. Afu tunafungulia kidogo tu, then tunafungulia pia. There you go. Fire, baby, fire. Yes. Kuja muone moto, bro. Come muone moto. I just made a fire out of nothing. I didn't even know how to use it. But saizi leo tunapika leo. Iko nini? I am super excited. All right, so now that we have fire, I think I'm going to fetch water. There's water. Take the apple. Then take some salt, Himalayan salt. Yeah, baby, this is amazing, bro. I have never done anything like this in my life. Sijawahi fanya kitu kama hii, trust me. Then I think that's enough. So you need salt. Then wacha maji chemke kidogo, cover it up. Then we wait and see. And on top of that, I think pia we can for it kuchemka haraka, we can cover it up completely using that, because it's more like a pressure cooker. So nice. There you go. So here we have methane gas. There you go, in the size. Then like I told you earlier, niko na Himalayan salt. The Himalayan salt. Then inside here, angalia, ndio inawaka, that's gas. Ndio maji nimeweka salt ndani, ili maji ya kupika mchele. Then this is the sufuria. Cover it up like that. You know, niko na pressure, so it will tell you maji kaanza kuchemka. Then iko na 3 stands, then iko na knob hapo. Hiyo knob is for controlling the, I think, the amount of gas. Then you have rice. Hii ni mchele nimebeba. Hii ni bag ya ku fold up these things, then put them back to their positions. Then niko na kiti moto, kiti ya kukalia hapo. Alright, so that's going to be my meal for the night. Later, after mchele kishaiva, I'll take the stew and then I will show you guys how I warm the stew. But for now, wacha mchele ichemke. So we'll come back after a few minutes, maji kichemuka, and then to take mchele ndani ya maji. I'll show you how I'll do that. But for now, give me a thumbs up, like this video. Ooh, I'm in Belgium, in a camper van trailer park, and I'm cooking rice, bro. I am cooking rice in a trailer park. Alright guys, let me get back kidogo. Subscribe to that channel, Chaps Chicco Films, Kenya to the world, and I will get back magic chemka so that we can continue cooking the rice. Finya your button and like and subscribe, the red button hapo chini. Give me a thumbs up, man. Alright, so hapa ndani niko na stew. Hii stew nilibeba all the way from Netherlands. So all the way from Netherlands, hapa ni Belgium. I came with the stew. This is a vegetable stew. And then also here niko na vegetable stew, and this is a sufuria and a cup. So hii sufuria ni ya kuwarm hii vegetable stew, right? Haya, hiyo maji imechemka. So oh man, wako na uchafu, come on now. So what I'm going to do next ni nachukua kikombe, then pima mchele napima kiasi kikombe kama imejaa. Then I have a spoon ya kukoroga, stirring the stew and also the rice. Because I've been cooking for a minute now. It's not the first time napika, so this is how I cook. Kawaida you find oto kawaida mtu anachukua mchele kama kikombe moja, uneka maji vikombe mbili. I don't do that. What I do is naeka tu maji kwa sufuria, then naeka mchele, because I've been cooking for a minute now. So what I do is mchele kishaanza kupungua maji, I reduce the fire so that inaiva pole pole. It cooks gradually with less fire, so that all the water can drain gradually and not that fast. So ukiona moto ni mingi, punguza, reduce the fire, and it will cook gradually, and you enjoy your meal. So right now I'll reduce the fire because it's a lot. Yeah. Then I'll cover. I'll make sure I cover it. There you go. So what I'll do is I think, the steam is more than good. So what I'll do is I'll leave it there, iive pole pole until maybe like the next 7-8 minutes, and then you come back and see how things are going. But so far so good. I'm enjoying van life, baby. Okay, so I think imeanza kuungua. Ooh, it's hot. Ongeza maji kidogo. Then taste tuone kama imeiva. So it's yummy. Ni better. It's really much better. I mean, I didn't expect the outcome kuwa hivi. Bado maji iko mingi kidogo. But I think I need to reduce. Yo maji kwa sio moto kwa sawa. Then I think what I'll do, nitachukua hii niweke hapa, then hii niweke hapo juu, then hii nitafunika like this, then nitafunikia like this. Okay, hizi funika hivyo, so nitafunikia hapa. Yep. Then tungoje. Alright, acha tuone progress, how it's going. It's still getting warm. I like the progress. Hapo chini. Oh bro, these things are hot. Okay. Yes, someone with the dog is walking the dog. Wow, size in sangapi. Let me see. I think it's 10:30 usiku. Kenya say I think it's 11:30. Here someone is walking his dog. And it's very cold. Okay. Oh. Holding, Korea. So, ini rag ya kushikilia sufuria. So I need to like just do it the hard way. I think I'll use this kufunikia kwanza. Then I'll shake it kwa sababu yeah, ndio maji kwa hapo ndani kauke haraka. Yep. So I just need to let the water within the rice to dry up, and then I warm the stew, then we're done. We are done. And you might think, someone might think, kwa nini natoa moshi kwa mdomo? You know? I think I'm smoking vape. Man, I'm not smoking. Hii ni upepo, hii ni baridi. That's how cold it is up here. Wow. But van life it is. I came with this van here. Then hapo nyuma yangu sinaona kuna van, kule nyuma kuna van. Then nyuma yangu hapo nyuma kuna, let me show you guys here as we wait for food. Acha nionyeshe surrounding venye kuna kaa. So huko hivyo ni houses ya. Hizo ni B&Bs. Hapa ni trailer park and hiyo ni B&B hapo mnaona. Hiyo ni B&B ingine. That's another B&B or rather trailer park. Hii ni ya mtu pia alikuja nayo. Then hiyo ni washing machine iko hapo ndani. Then hapo ni, that's the bathroom. Then hii mnaona hapa, hii ni where ukikuja na trailer park yako, kama kuna choo ndani ya trailer or rather camper van, unakuja na mwaga hapo ndani, right? Then the other side, those are people's houses. Not really people's houses, but hizo ni B&Bs. There's another camper van next to me. The copy up next to me. Then across the other side there are also houses, B&B, small in sizes, different sizes. Ni camper ingine, another camper there. Kuna jamaa alikuja na gari yake na ukiangalia vizuri amevuta camper pia, you can see, right? Then mimi nilikuja na hii hapa, this is what I'm driving, Fiat Ducato, but that's for the next video. For now I'll show you guys huko ndani. The next video, for now acha tupike tukule tuone kwanza chakula kama imeiva ama namna gani, right? So what I'll do is, one, I'll let these things cool off and then I will take them back in, but for now sorry about that. I am getting cold because it's cold out here, but let me go enjoy the food, rice and vegetables. That's how you do. I mean, that's how you do it. Simple as that. UNG, you can cook from outside, anywhere in the world. It is what it is. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like also. Don't just watch the video. Give me a like. It does help a lot. And also, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright? Till we meet again. Deuces.